Solo mode. Please choose your favorite character. The game is about to start. The first to reach the finish line wins. The game begins now. Tap the screen to throw the dice. I hide in the elevator during an earthquake. Am I right? I hide in the elevator during an earthquake. Am I right? Wrong answer. She stayed away from the gas stove because it is dangerous. After an earthquake, I don't stay close to adults and run around on my own. Is that right? Correct! Her fingers got caught when playing with drawers. He ate after hot food was cooled down. After an earthquake? Correct! Which are the dangerous behaviors during a typhoon? Find which items should not be used to treat burns. Solo mode. Please choose your favorite character. The game is about to start. Tap the screen to throw the dice. She pet an animal gently and made friends with it. I hide in the elevator during an earthquake. Am I right? I hide in the elevator during an earthquake. Correct! She sat on the handrail of the stairs and fell when coming down. Her fingers got caught when playing with drawers. Solo mode. Please choose your favorite character. The game is about to... Tap the screen to throw the dice. Is it right for me to lean outside? Correct! She was bitten by an animal, but she told an adult and got help. Which item can't be played with? A socket? Correct! She hurt her eye by rubbing it with her hand. She bumped her head while playing around the table. Where can't you hide during an earthquake? He burned his mouth eating hot food. She climbed on a cabinet, fell off, and hurt herself.